Let's turn a simple E7 fun groove into something more interesting. Now for this example, E7 is the 5th chord in the key of A. We're going to use some 7th chord inversions and borrow some minor threads from the key of A to add some movement to our chord progression. So I'm going to start by sliding from a half step below to this E9 on the top 5 strings, followed by this E13. All I'm doing is putting my pinky on the 9th fret of the high E string. From here, I'm just going to focus on the top 3 strings. I'm going from this E7 chord to this C sharp minor triad to this B minor triad, all over E, right? So I have E7, then I have C sharp, that is the 3 chord in the key of A. So with the bass on E, I have the root, the 3rd, and the 6th or 13. And I have B minor, that is the 2 chord in the key of A. Over E, I have the flat 7, the 9, and the 5th. So far I have these. From here I'm going back to the E9 chord, followed by the E13, and then I'm going to play a single note line using the flat 7 and the root of E. So I have these. For the second repetition, I'm going to start exactly the same. I'm sliding from a half step below to E9, followed by E13. Then I'm going to focus on the top 3 strings. I have the E7, but this time instead of going from C sharp, the 3 chord, to B minor, the 2 chord. First inversion, I'm going to go higher on the neck and I'm going to go from C sharp, the 3 chord. Second inversion to B minor, second inversion. Again, over E, I have the 3rd, the 13, and the root, and B minor over E, I have the 9, the 5th, and the flat 7. That sounds like this. And again, to finish, E9 to E13, E7 top 3 strings, and then a single note line. And we're done. If I put all that together, at the end I have this.